Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us go to the next chapter, chapter 4, System Design, Process Costing. So, we are already through with chapter 3, which is ABC, or activity-based costing. So, we are now on a process costing. Process costing is actually a major sector of specialty under industrial engineering, process costing. So let us learn this type of costing system. So let us start with similarities between job order and process costing. So job order is the conventional one. The very first one, they are both systems wherein materials, labor, and overhead costs are assigned to products, and they provide a mechanism for computing unit product cost. So mechanism for computing product cost. Both systems use the same manufacturing accounts, including manufacturing overhead, raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. Take note, manufacturing accounts. These are account names. Account names are important because they are the ones we are going to use in our account records, accounting records, in journal, in ledger, in our posting, okay, in our journal entry, okay. So we can see work in process, finished goods, raw materials in our account titles, account names, okay. And the third one, the flow of cost through manufacturing accounts is basically the same in both systems, meaning job order and process costing. Basically the same, but they are somewhat different. How they differ? Process costing is used when a single product produced on a continuing basis for a long period of time. How about job order? Is used when many different jobs are worked on each period. So that is one clear difference. Okay. Another difference, number 2, process costing systems accumulate costs by department. Job order costing systems accumulate cost by individual jobs. Accumulate meaning the recording is being distributed. I will record this one here. I will record this one here. I will record this one here. So the recording is being passed to different departments when you are using process costing, while the costing is being passed to individual jobs when you are using job order. So that's why it's called job order, okay, in terms of job. But since there are departments, for example, bicycle department, motorcycle department, parts department. So there are different departments. There are 3 departments that produce different products. Okay, costing for this would be process costing because they're classified into different departments. So we can assign the cost to each and every department depending on depending on the materials that they belong. Okay. So the third difference, process costing systems compute unit cost by department also, while job order costing system compute unit cost by job on the job cost sheet. As we already explained, presented, we have example, we have job cost sheet. Okay, so please recall, review, rewatch our lecture videos on the job cost sheet. Okay, so these are the main difference. So although they have similarities, but when we are talking about single product being produced for a long period of time, let us use process costing. But when we are having products in batches and batches, different jobs in a particular period of time, we want to deal with job costing. Okay, so let us continue to check our knowledge. Let us check ourselves. Please answer this one. Process costing is used for products that are A, different and produced continuously, B, similar and produced continuously, C, individual units produced to customers' specifications, D, purchased from vendors. Okay, so process costing is, you have to guess an answer, and the answer would be letter B, similar and produced continuously for a long period. Okay, time. Okay. Processing departments. Any location and organization where materials, labor, or overhead are added to the product. That is the processing area. Okay, materials, labor, overhead. So that is a processing area. The activities performed in a processing department are performed uniformly on all units of production. Furthermore, the output of the processing department must be homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous meaning the same, with the same recipe, with the same characteristic. That is what we mean by homogeneous. Okay, okay, so that is actually our concept principle regarding process costing. So in the next video, we will go to the first sub topic. So you can give your comments, suggestion, inquiries, question, use your comment box below. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, Teaching Engineering for Nation Building.